Hi to all. Today we are going to derive a very important derivation for theory examination point of view for PUC first year board exams. That is S is equal to UT plus half AT square, where the terms have usual meaning. That is S means displacement, U means initial velocity, T means time, A means acceleration. Today we have to derive this expression using velocity time graph. So, since in this derivation they have mentioned initial velocity and acceleration. So, today we have to draw the VT graph of a body traveling with initial velocity u at constant acceleration a. So as we have seen that this is our VT graph. VT graph means the graph which is plotted by taking velocity along y-axis, time along x-axis. So as you know, intercept on positive y-axis gives initial velocity, right? So this is our initial velocity u. Second, since bodies are traveling with a constant acceleration means straight line with positive slope, right? See here, this is the say final velocity. Here to here is velocity is v. Velocity is v, right? So here if I draw like this is a time t. It means at a time t is equal to 0, body has velocity u, and after the time t, its velocity becomes v. Today our aim is to derive an expression for displacement. As you know, we can get displacement of a body from UT graph from its area, that is area under VT graph gives displacement. Okay, here I can say, since we know that area under VT graph gives displacement, right? It means displacement is equal to area under this graph. Today I am representing as A, B, it is a C. Okay, so it means displacement is equal to area of this. This is nothing but shape of trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium name OABC. Right? Since we know that displacement, here I am representing by S, is equal to, as you know, area of trapezium is nothing but half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel into distance between parallel sides, that is distance between them, right? So S is equal to half into, here you know OA and BC are parallel sides. Sum of parallel side means OA plus BC into distance between these two parallel sides is OC. This is equal to half into, here OA means U, BC means V. Therefore U plus V. Here OC means T. Right? Here I got half U plus V in bracket close T. If I look at my derivation, in this derivation I want S. Yes, I have to keep. I want U. I have to keep. I want T. Okay. Next I want A. But I don't want V. So we have to remove V from this expression. For that, since we know that, as you know, we don't want V, we want A. It means I have to write V in terms of A. So for that, we know the expression of V in which A is present. That is V is equal to U plus AT. Then if I substitute this V in this expression, then S is equal to half in bracket U plus V means instead of V I can put this U plus AT bracket close T. Okay, so next here S is equal to half U plus U is 2U plus AT bracket close into T. If I multiply this half and T to inside, then it becomes, or otherwise first I will multiply 2T, half is here 2UT plus half A, so sorry, half I have not multiplied so far, A in T into T is AT square. Then multiply half inside, S is equal to 1 by 2 into 2UT plus 1 by 2 into AT square. This 2 cancel, then S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is an expression for displacement in terms of U and A as well as T. Right? This is our today's most important derivation. Okay, pause, screen and note down. Here explanation I can say. Explanation is simple. You must write U means initial velocity, V means final velocity, or write like this U arrow mark. Your explanation should be like this. U means initial velocity, V means final velocity, A means acceleration, and T means time. This is an explanation. Then you have to draw graph. Then start from here up to here you have to write. This is for 5 marks. In this 5 marks, 1 marks is for graph and 1 marks for this sentence, 2 marks, and 1 marks is to write this much, 3rd marks, and 1 marks is for this expression, and to arrive substitute this and arriving final this expression carries 1 mark, right? Total 5 marks. Next derivation, that is derive an expression for S is equal to over. Now V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. See, our next derivation is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Right? So for this derivation also everything is simple. Everything is same as this. Only change is here. In this expression up to here everything is same. Means from here onwards your derivation will change. Here explanation and everything remains same. Look at here. We want U. Yes, U is required. We want V. V is required. T, no, we don't want T. Here we don't want T. It means we have to replace T. T ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay. To replace T, once again we are using the same equation. So bring this side. Then V minus U is equal to AT, or T is equal to V minus U by A. Now we have to substitute this in this expression. S is equal to half in bracket U plus V, bracket close. Instead of T, I can write this V minus U by A. Look at here. Next, S is equal to denominator 2 and A. I'll write it as it is. 2A. This U plus V can also be written as V plus U. No change. Here V minus U as it is. Then send this 2A this side. Then 2A into S is equal to, it is like A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. Here V plus U into V minus U means V square minus U square. Now you bring this U square this side. Then final expression is V square is equal to, this minus U square becomes plus U square plus 2AS. So this is our required final expression. This is also for 5 marks. Marks distribution. 1 marks for this diagram, and 1 marks for this sentence, and 1 marks to arrive this expression, and 1 marks to write this or this, whatever. Out of 3 steps, if you write any one step, you get 1 more marks. Substitution and simplification, and finally arriving this expression carries 1 marks. Total 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. Right? Pause the screen and write down. Thank you.